Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden. I live up by the Wasatch Mountains in Utah, Zone 6. So let me show you what I'm doing today. I am doing a winter sowing. I guess you can technically say it's spring sowing now because we are mid-April. We're still getting pretty cold. Next week we should finally have some pretty weather. But I am reusing plastic this way now. So this is the Ziploc bag that I put holes at the bottom. Let me turn this around. Ziploc bag. We have one spot that's open, holes in the bottom, potting soil. So let's look inside this. Looks pretty good. The tag says Gomphrena and straw flower. So I have a whole bunch of recycled, used plastic bags. This is an apple bag. It already has holes in it. Easy, easy. Let's go put some zinnias, cosmos, and marigolds in these because we have plenty of time to spring sow them. And we just put them in these and we put them outside and the rest of the work is done for you. You want to make sure to water, especially if you're in a dry climate like I am. Let's go in the house and let's fill them with lots of seeds. Come along. So these are the regular Ziploc bags. I've put holes in the bottom of them. And these are the apple bags. They have holes at the bottom, already prepared. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some soupy wet potting soil. I live in Utah. We dry out very fast. We need it wet. If you live in a humid area, you won't need it as wet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up all these bags off camera, and then I'll be right back and I will seed them with the seeds I have. So I'm going to fill it about that full on each of them. Be right back. Okay, I'm going to put dollar store seeds in both of these containers. Dollar store seeds potting soil $4.22. So I'll put the tags in. Let's see. All I do is sprinkle. Come in here. That's all I do. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And I think I'm going to do half in that one and half in this one. And what I like to do is get either my fingers or a tool and kind of just bury them a little bit. So this side too. Okay, then I'm going to zip up half of this here, and zip up here, and we're just going to have a little opening. So that same with this, just a little opening, okay? These are going straight outside, and I'll do a couple more of them, but that's all you do.